Yo guys, TechnoSmart here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change the background on your mobile device. So without any further ado, let's get started. Before I start this video, I request you guys to subscribe to my channel because I want 1,000 subscribers before 20 February. So please go ahead and smash that subscribe button and let's get started. So you have to download a software called PICSART. Once you have downloaded it, go ahead and turn on the app. And once the app is open, here you can see this add icon. Just go ahead and tap it and hit on edit. And it's gonna open up your gallery. I'm not going to show you my gallery. I'm just gonna select a picture. I'll select this one. So yeah, and yeah, here's the pic of LG. So as you can see here to the bottom, we have all different options. You have to go ahead and hit on this cutout, as you can see here. So once you hit that, you can increase or decrease the size of it. I'm gonna decrease it a little bit up to 17%. I'm gonna zoom in back. So just do as I do. So here is a quick fast motion. I'll cut out the part of LG. So as you can see here, we have a black background here and there are some parts which are white. So just go ahead and hit that rubber tool and decrease the size or increase the size as your requirement, and just rub all of the parts which are white. And once that's done, go ahead and hit save. And as you can see here, it says that saved in my stickers. So go ahead and hit this icon to the top and then hit gallery, and it has saved to PICSART. So once that's done, go ahead and hit this add icon and hit on edit, and then select the background which you want to put to the back of the image which we cut out before. So just select the background, and I'm gonna quickly select the background what I want. So let's say I want this background, so I've selected it, and then you have to go and hit this add photo and your gallery will come up again. And here you can see this is the pic which we have edited, which we have cut out. This is the pic right here, so you have to go ahead and add. So yeah, here is the image right here. So just increase the size and set the image when it's perfect. So yeah, that looks really dope. As you can see, you can change the background on your Android phone or your iPhone. I think you can do this on your iPhone as well. So yeah, that's really easy. Go ahead and download PICSART and follow these steps, and you're gonna change your background as well. So yeah, that about wraps up. Hope you guys found this helpful. If you did, do make sure to subscribe to my channel and share this video, and please support my channel. I want 1,000 subscribers before 20 February. So yeah, hit a like if you like this video and comment down below if you have any questions, and also follow me on Instagram and Twitter at TechnoSmart7. The link will be in the description down below. Thanks for watching. This is TechnoSmart signing off. Have a great day, guys.